Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me is Bluesound Pulse M and I'm going to show how can you easily add alarm. Let's get started. First we have to open our app and now click settings. As you can see, bedroom alarms. All no alarms enabled. We have to click on it and click plus. We can adjust our time. For us will be 4 AM and OK. Alarm sound we can choose between alarm sounds, repetition, duration and our volume level. Now we have to click save and alarm added. That's it, hope it helps. Like and subscribe for these videos and goodbye.